Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to, that's like commanding, boop, another video. I am so excited to be here with you today, showing you, kind of talking a little bit about the planner companion accessories, modern farmhouse style, and how I'm going to use some of the stuff in here in, of course, my Glam Girl planner. Anyone who knows me knows I love my Glam. She's the best. So let's go ahead and get started. Of course, before we do though, if you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of this fun. And if you're returning, thank you so much for your support. I could not do it without you. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so I'm going to do kind of a combination. I'm going to show you as we go along some of the items that are in this planner companion pack. Now, here's what I will say. The cost of this was $24. Obviously, you know, there's coupons, different things that you can add to it. I don't think it's overly expensive for what you get in here, but I also don't feel like everyone is going to value everything that's in here. So I really just encourage you to make sure that it's right for you before you go ahead and invest in it. With the amount of stuff that Happy Planner has been releasing, and really you can find in any planner brand across any planner, you know, any planner thing, it's just so much. And, you know, I tend to buy things I don't need. And what I've kind of realized is like, hey, I need to slow that down and just go with the things that I really feel like I'm going to use and evaluate what I really want, because there's so much that you will lose it if you try to buy everything. And literally I can't consume all the stuff that I buy. So, all right, so one thing that this included is a little Be Happy bracelet. It says wear this bracelet as a reminder to do all the things with love. I think this is adorable. I'm not going to use it as a bracelet. I'm going to show you what I'm going to use it as, but it's not going to be a bracelet. Then it comes with this little folder to like hold everything in. I mean, I think that's cute. I don't think it's like super exciting. Like once you know, don't have anything, it's kind of cute. Just kind of holds everything in though. You get, you're in the right place. Home is the nicest word there is. Home is wherever we're together. And the simpler my life, the happier I become. And then in here you have hold the vision, trust the process. And inside of it you have goals. As many of you know, I'm a super huge goal setter, but I'm also a super big fan of my power sheets. So this is going to kind of be used in conjunction with that. And I'm going to make this a little bit of like a overview in there and make a special goal section in my planner, which I'm super excited about. Oops, sorry, didn't mean to hit the mic. I didn't earthquake you. And then over here onto the side, you do have some stickers that it came with. These would be very reminiscent of stickers that you already have in the farmhouse style ones, but they're very farmhousey. Top 5 priorities. Again, these are pretty similar to things that you can find. I do like that they're on this little like rubber so they stay together. That's kind of nice. And then you have these goal getting sheets. These would be very similar to ones that are in that were released with a Be Happy box a couple years ago, or a year and a half ago. And it also looks very similar to your tending pages in your Cultivate. So that is kind of and then of course it came with its planning pack. That is kind of everything that's in the kit of the farmhouse one. They have, like I said, other ones that are different colored themes. I don't know everything that's in those, but I know it's going to be kind of similar along the same lines. So what I'm going to do to start, and I'm going to actually talk about the planning pack for a second, but the planning pack is something that I have bragged about Erin Condren's for a long time because I feel like they're the best thing ever. This one feels a little bit cheaper than the Erin Condren one, I will admit. It's still nice. It serves its purpose. This is like pretty thin feeling. And this just, the quality of this feels a little bit different. Still very, very nice. I don't want you to think that I am in any way saying it's not nice. It's very nice. I just think I prefer the Erin Condren quality a little bit better. So if you're buying it just for this, unless there's a design you really want, I don't know that that's necessarily the best investment. But okay, so first thing I'm going to do is whip this little bad boy out. And it's pretty, like a pretty tough material. It's not super thin. It's not like super stringy. It's kind of more like ropey, so it's pretty tight. And what I'm actually going to do with this is kind of create a charm out of it because I think it's so adorable. So I'm just going to loop it through. Loop it through my planner. Like so. And then I'm going to circle it through. Let's see here. Would that be the right way? No, the one underneath. Okay. Circle it through like so, and then just pull it tight. And it's going to be a really thick little rope with this little disc charm on the side, just like that. So super cute. Love that. You can tie these if you don't like them, or you can even probably cut them, but I'm not going to do that. And keep that little charm just hidden right there on the side. It fits perfectly. It's not too long, and it's just a cute little charm. And you can also clip other ones to it, which will be super cute if you want it a little more blingy. All right, so then as we go into the back of my planner, where my sticky notes are and all that fun stuff is, I'm actually going to pop it in probably right here. I'm thinking, yeah. So I'm going to pop both of them in. And then as we open them up, you have your goals, your vision, and I'm not going to overcrowd what's going on already in there because I don't want to, like I said, I'm not looking to keep it like super thick and crazy, but I am going to take a couple goal sheets, just 2 or 3, I think there's 2 there. And as I work through my tending list, I will kind of duplicate it here, just to have another reminder of like, hey, these are the things that I'm focused on, and do that. Then I'll just take one of those in case I want to use them and pop it back here as well. So that can be my goal section. Then what I'm going to do up at the top is, oh, these aren't punched. Dude, well, never mind. Scratch that. But I will punch one of them because I love these little cards. And I'm actually just going to kind of create a little moment on the back and just kind of put it. I love that. I love those things. So that's what I'm going to do with those. And probably I'll do another video on that later because I realized that they are not punched and oops. But in the meantime, now my planner has a nice little goal section. These do not have tabs on them, so you're going to need to have a dashboard close by that you can easily flip to, but it's perfect for goal setting. Super important. Love this. This world needs more of what you have, and I am really excited to have this in here. So again, to just kind of recap what everything you get. I'm not sure if it does show it on the back, but I feel like it's better when you open it up. You get stickers, the goal setting pages, priority pages, half sheets. You get the inserts of, now it shows like on the back you're going to see like 4, but that's the back and the front of each page, so it's not actually 4. The planning pack, and then your little embellishment cards along with the storage folder. Again, don't feel like the storage folder is like, oh, and then the bracelet. I don't think the storage folder is like, oh my gosh, couldn't live without that, but it's cute. It does hold it nicely. It's just not, it's like just packaging. But now it's in there. Super excited about the gold part. I love the little charm bracelet on the side with the little tiny disc. I think that's super cute and just adds that little extra personalization to your planner. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have not done so already, just a quick reminder as we end this video, there is a challenge going on in my Facebook group for a spring spread. This was the last spread that, let's see if I can find it. I don't even know what month we're in, guys. I've lost all track of months. There we go. This was my spring spread for the first week to kind of kick us off again. It is a spring spread theme, and we will be having the winners will be voted on by the members of the group. So make sure you join it and show us your spring spread, and don't forget to do that. But thank you again for joining today's video. I'm so happy to have you here and appreciative of your time and attention to this video. Cannot wait to see you on the next one. All right, everyone, I'll see you soon.